Let's see how we can project an object onto a section view. Here at the section views, at the home tab, section views, we can click on project objects to section view. Let's click on the object to add. We want to add this tree. Then we click enter. Then we select a section view or a sample line. So let's click on this section view. And here, as you can see, there's a projection style. Currently it's at basic. Basic is not correct, but let's leave it at that to see how it appears. Let's click OK. And go to the first section view. As you can see, it displays as a plan style. So I want to change that. I right click, I click on the section view, I right click, and I go to section view properties. And here at the projection style, I want to change this to a tree deciduous. And apply, and now changes to a tree. And that's how to project objects to your section view. And you can even correct the elevation of that tree.